Just got a package I have been waiting for, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. This is going to be something that you're going to be seeing a lot more of here on the channel. You might have been watching a while back on my social media whenever I announced that I am a Mountain House ambassador now. Today, I got a package. For any of you out there who are not familiar with Mountain House, this is something that you're going to want to look into if you are on the road like I am. I've been using Mountain House since the beginning of the channel. In fact, I have a couple of different videos where you've probably seen it pop up time and time again. It's a great way to have something that tastes delicious, but at the same time is super easy and convenient. You can use these when you're backpacking or when you're in your van. In fact, one of my favorite bad weather day meals is a Mountain House meal because I don't have to pull out my entire camping setup to have something really delicious. And fun fact, I can actually make a Mountain House meal without ever starting any single spark of fire. I can pull through a place that serves coffee and get a cup of hot water, or I can take out my little electric kettle that just plugs into my power station. So this is a great option. Not to mention if you're at home and you happen to be in sticks and bricks and you have some bad weather, keeping a few of these on hand for worst case scenario moments, very handy. But you'll learn more about the product as we're kind of going through it, but I want to see what's in this box, so let's go open it. It says don't use a case cutter, so we're going to use a key because it's a little bit less aggressive. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at what's inside this box. I'm seeing some goodies in here. I am seeing some goodies in here. Okay, the first thing I see is a very long spoon. This is a GSI Outdoor Essential spoon, and it's a long size. Now, why do we need a long spoon? That's a good question, but it's a super logical answer. The Mountain House pouches are pretty decently sized, so you want to be able to scoop in and get to the bottom without getting food all over your hands. So with this, you can scoop in, and because it has this kind of finish, which is like a silicone finish to it, it's going to be able to scrape the edges of the container and get every last little morsel of food out of there. That is awesome. This is going to be super fun. There's more, but there's more. Again, I've been waiting for this package and so excited about it. So I wanted to take you guys on this little tour through the box with me. You'll see why. Give me a second. Okay, moving the paper back. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. I believe this is a shirt. We'll set it right here and we'll come back to it. This. Look at this. This is so cute. You know I love me a good hat, and in fact, this is one of my favorite summer colors. I usually bust out the camo green around summertime. I don't know why. I just love it. I just love it. In fact, fun fact, today I was actually out shopping and bought 2 shirts that were that color. So this is gonna be so cool. I am so excited. But there's more. Okay. Let's check the paper. Okay, we've gotten everything out of this. Here are my meals. Oh, I'm so excited. I have not yet tried this flavor, and I want to try this flavor so bad. I have found a meal that I eat at base camp that is modeled off of the buffalo style mac and cheese. And so when I saw this, I had to get it. In fact, let me go show you some things. I'm going into base camp. I'm going into base camp. Look at this. So right here, base camp, boom, buffalo style chicken mac and cheese. So this is what I like to eat whenever I am at base camp. And so now I have a version of it that I can eat on the road. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. And since we're inside, look, see? Camo green, camo green. One of these is a long shirt. One of them is like a shirt dress. I can wear my hat with both of these. Yes! Okay, back outside, back outside. We've got some more box to unveil. Woohoo! I'm getting so excited now. For those of you who have been following along on the channel for a while, you know that I kind of circle back to base camp every so often, and that's why I'm here. But I'm about to go to Arizona, and I'm actually going to be hanging out with the other Mountain House reps. So this package came in perfect time because I'm supposed to leave out like tomorrow. So perfect timing, perfect timing. Oh my goodness, joy has come over my face. Let's go look at the box though. So we left off here and let's go below this. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, we gotta wait for a minute. Before we move on to what's next in the box, let's go ahead and open up the shirt. I am really excited now, and I'm starting to get more excited as we go. Ooh, I like this. I like the feeling of the material that they used. This is actually really nice. This is from Next Level, and it's a cute Savor the Adventure Mountain House shirt. Ooh, yes. And then on the back, I like this design. This design is super, super cute. So diving back in, and again, this is gonna be so good. Look at this. Chicken and pasta, spicy cheese sauce, carrots and celery. See, this is why I was very eager to try this, because it just sounded delicious, and it has 18 grams of protein, so that is even better. Now, you might be asking though, doesn't this create a lot of one-use trash? But it does not. They actually work with a company and promote recycling of these pouches. So I think that this is just gonna be super, super awesome. I am excited. But what is this? Oh, this is cool. This is like a little 3M sticker. Ooh, I could put this on something. I just have to figure out what. Oh my goodness, I like this. This is super cute. I wonder, ooh, what is this? Okay, here's a sticker, another sticker. I highly recommend going and following their social media, because there is actually a Bigfoot or a Yeti that like travels around with them promoting the brand, and it's just super fun to see. But I didn't know there were stickers. You know, I like me some good stickers, and I just got a new bottle so that I can cover it in all sorts of new fun things. Pop the other door open. Almost finished with all my projects. If you're seeing this right now, we're almost to that step. But look at this, brand new, fresh meat for some good stickers right here. Do you see what I see? Here are a couple of other stickers. We have the Mountain House Adventure Meals, and then we have the classic Mountain House sticker. Look at that, that's actually cute. It's like a throwback chili mac. That's super fun too. And then this right here, this is the Adventure Wagon. This is actually going to be in Arizona at the event that I'm going to. So I can't wait to see this in person. And I got my official 2022 ambassador patch, which I already know where this is gonna go. This is gonna go on the patch roof. But for all of you who are not familiar, I collect patches, and I put them on my ceiling to document all of my cool places that I've been. And I secure them with Velcro. So I just pop them right on up here. Now I have to get some more Velcro. So as soon as I do, this patch is gonna find a home, maybe like right in here somewhere. I don't know. We'll get some more Velcro and then we'll put this on the ceiling. I'm not so sure how close of attention you were paying to this box as we've been going through it, but there's something pretty big in here that blown away. Just blown away. That's all I can say. Blown away. And that says a lot considering it's super windy. I'm blown away, just blown away. This right here, what? How? What? They sent me a GoPro Hero Black 9. Oh my goodness. What? From watching the channel, you know I have little mounts all around my van because I use GoPro products, and I've been using the GoPro Hero 8 and I love it. In fact, I have 2 of them that I put on different parts of the van to give you guys the driving videos. But now this guy is gonna be in the adventure kit, and there are a few differences between this one and then the other one that I have no words, Mountain House. You have outdone yourselves. I'm gonna be recording all of my Mountain House adventures going forward on this GoPro Black Hero 9, and you guys will be coming along for the adventures thanks to this guy right here. But there's a couple other things in this box, some treats that I am super excited about also, because, well, One of these I for sure have never seen in person. These guys. Oh my goodness, I have only seen these online. I have never gotten to try them before. I am super psyched about these. These are the peanut butter bites. They are the Simple Sensations peanut butter bites cocoa. Oh my goodness, I am so intrigued. Apparently these were so popular amongst the staff that they went ahead and put them into rotation. And so now I get to try them, and this is gonna be super, super nice. And I noticed something that's a little bit different about this packaging from the packaging over here on the buffalo style mac and cheese. Let me show you a little closer. Okay, so right here you'll notice the buffalo style mac and cheese has a perforated top, and you tear that off and then you put your water in, and then it has an area that you can reseal in here. So that's kind of how the packaging works here. It's perforated, and then it has like the click in seal. Okay, so there's that. Very different, nice and square. And then we have these right here that are clearly a little bit different. So it's a different style of container, but more so it has a resealable entry point. So you can get a couple of them out, eat them, and then close it back up, which is very nice. This is a snack. This is a meal. They are completely and totally different concepts, but super, super yummy just the same. And I love the fact that they've made this where it can be sealed up while you're hiking, so it doesn't create those smells on the trail, so to speak. But I'm really, really excited about the difference between the two packages. I didn't know what to expect exactly. I didn't know if this was gonna be just like a little bite size, like a little snack serving, or if it was gonna be larger, and it's definitely a little bit larger. It says on the back here that each container has 3 servings. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about these. But wait, there's more. There's another one of these, and it is the original flavor. So we have the cocoa flavor and we have the original. Both of them have 7 grams of protein. They're organic. Awesome. Looking forward to trying these, and I will definitely tell you what I think about them. Oh, curious. This was all underneath. What is this? Oh, super cool. Anti-itch gel. This is cool. Let me read a little bit more about this. In fact, let's get inside the van. It's getting a little windy out here, and I want to read a little bit more about these items so that you guys can also know a little bit more about them, because they're going to be good. They're going to be really good. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out is that gel that we saw in the back. It is called Technu Outdoor Solution Science since 1962, so it's been around for quite some time. This is a topical analgesic, which is an anti-itch gel, and it says here that you're supposed to put it on to relieve outdoor itches that are caused from insect bites, sunburns, and more. So I haven't ever used this before, so I'm going to be trying this one out also. It is called Cala Gel, so kind of like a Cala drill in a gel form. In fact, the active ingredient is something that has more syllables than supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, but it should work out pretty easily, and it looks like it's got pretty easy instructions. Do not use more often than directed. It says here you're supposed to cleanse your skin, apply it to the affected area, no more than 3 times a day. So super, super cool. And especially with summer coming on when all the mosquitoes are out, I'm looking forward to having this and hoping I don't need it, but happy that I do just in case. It's one of those kind of items, kind of like the fire extinguisher that I have from GTFO. Always nice to have. Really hope that it doesn't get any use, but this is cool. This is super cool. And next up we have this, which is by the same company. This is removes poison ivy and oak oils. Where was this when I was a kid? So fun fact about me. Whenever I was a child, horribly allergic to poison ivy. Like, it could just be in the vicinity of me and I would puff up and be miserable. I would have to go get a shot every single year. It was absolutely terrible. Where was this? We'll get into the one last thing that is inside of this box, and I am very intrigued by this. This says it is Yellowbird sauce and it is made in Texas. So this is what it looks like right here. It's in this little squeezy that's kind of fun. I like the fact that it is not glass, because I don't like to put glass inside of my travel vehicle. Let's see if we twist it off. It has a little thing on here. Oh, we're gonna try a little dab just to kind of see. Oh, it has, oh, I kind of am intrigued by the flavor, but at the same time, it smells spicy even. So I know it's gonna have a little kick. But this is definitely gonna make a good little Taco Tuesday kind of moment. Let's just dab on just a little bit right there. See that, guys? Whew, I can definitely taste the sweetness to the pepper, but then it hits all of those little flavor notes on your tongue where you just start going, okay. I can definitely see this adding a little bit of a punch to like the rice dishes, because I like to add additional hot sauce to my rice dishes. This is gonna be the one, guys. This is gonna be the one. You'll see me using this in the future very, very soon. And in fact, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my kitchen setup so it's already ready already. Wait a second, I need to find out, does this have to be refrigerated? Because some sauces do. I don't think it does. Ha! Refrigeration not required. Perfect for van life. Okay guys, these are all the things that were in my tiny little Mountain House Adventure Meals box right here. Some super fun things that I'm super looking forward to trying. Of course, the ambassador patch, which I will be adding to the patch wall. Cute stickers. I love this shirt design, and placing this sticker right here, it just kind of looks like it drove into frame, which I think is super fun. The hot sauce. Oh my goodness. Of course, the GoPro we're going to be using on some of our upcoming adventures. And then this right here, I love that they sent me this because I didn't have anything like this in my kit, but I definitely am glad that I do now. Again, I think this is going to be super, super fun and valuable. But one of the reasons why I wanted to show it to you like this is because look at the little hidden thing that they have on the bottom of the package. I'm in great shape for the shape I'm in. Isn't that about right? I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me to check out my Mountain House unboxing today. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. And don't worry, we'll be on the road really soon, and I'll be sharing not only these items and what I think of them, but a whole menu of deliciousness, including my personal favorite. Until next time, guys, let's close up the van and get ready for the next adventure. Bye, guys!